third design. It's the poly one. Can't really see yet in this lighting. It's not that great. Let me turn on the light. Is that better? Didn't make that much better, but I'm so excited for the bakery ones because this is the theme of the month, of the upcoming release. So I'm super excited. Remember, but we made bigger versions of this like sweets themed one with gummy bears, and we have Polly here and Mika here. We had a bigger version of this, but we decided to make a smaller version. The bigger one sold out, so it was nice to bring back this design, and I hope you guys will enjoy the small ones as well. More purple ones. This is Doo-Doo, guys. Our froggy character is back. A lot of the new releases this month will feature Doo-Doo. So yeah, there's a total of 5 designs. Which one is your favorite? Also, here's a sneak peek at the plushie, the Poly plush. So this is a thicker fur, and this is a thinner one. So both of these were samples that I got made, and I have not yet ordered the finalized version because I'm just deciding which one is better. I think this one's cuter. I don't know, this one just feels a bit naked. This one's more like, you know, I don't know. What do you guys think? By the time this video is uploaded, it's probably gonna be decided already, but I will try to decide based on what everyone votes. I did a poll yesterday on Instagram, and it's pretty even, like 60% and 40%. I think more people want this one, but I also really like this one. So I don't know, guys. I am quite indecisive, but anyways, that's besides the point. Yeah, I just want to show you guys these designs. So let me know which one you guys like the most and which one you guys would get, because I personally like, I think, this one the most, because I don't know, a lot of the new releases are just based on this type of theme, the bakery theme. So I'm just really excited for that. And yeah, so I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. I'm actually not sure why there is a gray border around it, but I will figure that out. Some washi tape. I will swatch these in a bit. This package came in today. It actually came in yesterday, but I didn't have time to go pick it up. And as you guys know, this month's upcoming shop update, we have a bunch of bakery themed stuff. This kind of goes with this. So I hope you guys really like it.